Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at the euro dollar. Right, the euro dollar has a very interesting configuration on the daily, and I'm thinking that this could also lead to a good intraday trading opportunity. Now, if I were just to show you the euro dollar, just focusing on this area on the daily, right, you guys will have to know that price really starts moving in a zigzag manner. Okay, and with all this choppiness, alright, what we can do is actually connect a trend line from the low, okay, and tap as many candles as possible without cutting the candle body. It's okay to cut the wick because we can adjust that on the lower time frame, but we really want to just cut the tap as many candles as possible without cutting the candle body. Alright, so why I start drawing my trend line from here is really because that is where price first started the sideways movement. Okay, previously before that, price was on a strong uptrend, and then after this candle it started its sideways movement. Alright, so at the same time, okay, if we're to draw a channel, okay, we can see that price really is within a channel, right? Okay, it tested the bottom once, twice, 3, came close here 4 times, tested the top once and twice, and it came close here as well. Alright, so having bounced off the channel support, we can then expect price to at least go all the way up to the graphical swing high or even the channel resistance. Okay, so let's quickly go down. Let me just put the support first. Okay, we can have a support over here. Okay, and let me go down to the lower time frame. Now on the 4 hours, okay, I'm just going to remove this channel. Just remember that on the daily is on the channel. On the 4 hours, let's follow price action. Price made a low here and a recent swing high. If we were to take a Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to swing high, open all Fibonacci ratios, we see that price actually reacted off 61.8, right? So we can actually have another support at this level, the 61.8 level. So price came back down. Okay, what we can expect price to do is at least to test the recent high as well. Okay, so this recent high, we can have our resistance there. I'm going to change the color to red for resistance. Now at the same time, we can also take a retracement from the high to the low. And we see that this recent swing high is also the bigger movement, 61.8 retracement, right? So key level as well. So let's select this as 61.8. Okay, and over here we select 61.8. Alright, and this one I will back it up, okay, to the, I will just draw a box around this, okay, because this then becomes a zone. It's a strong level on the daily, but because of the spike, okay, we can use this as sort of an alternative zone. Alright, so like I said, on the daily we are bullish. Now on the 4 hours, it looks like price could make a push up above this 61.8 as well. So let's quickly go into the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, we're going to focus on this area. Now we also see that price is steadily drifting higher. Okay, we can use the last movement, the high to the low, and look for the 23%. Okay, normally when market surpasses and closes above the 23%, alright, it should take off and move all the way. Okay, so this graphical area, I'm just going to switch to a line chart so it's easier to see, and I'm going to put my buy entry on the low of this graphical area. Okay, change it back here. Okay, I'm going to have a buy entry over here. Where's my buy? Okay, and my stop loss will be slightly below the 61.8. Okay, so how this works is I'll wait for price to come back to my buy entry, trigger it, and then I will play all the way up to the take profit here. Alright, this is the 4 hour target. Okay, why my stop loss is here is because should price comes back down and break below the 61.8, right, it would then mean that price has broken this recent swing low, and I can immediately go short and play it down to recoup some losses, okay, to the daily support zone. Alright, so that's the idea. This is the alternative target. This is the alternative take profit. Alright, So last but not least, we can actually also use indicators and just try to check how price is really moving. Of course, MACD doesn't show us anything. MACD is above 0, which means we are still in a bullish environment. Alright, let's check moving average. Okay, and moving average. Okay, price is above moving average now. I can give it a bit more space by using a bigger number, less sensitive. So when we use 34, we actually see that in an uptrend, price holds above the moving average well, and in a downtrend, price holds below the moving average well as well. So now that price is above the moving average if this is going to be an uptrend, like on the daily, price should be holding above the moving average as well. So we have technical indicators that confirm the bullish push. We have price reacting on the key 61.8 on the bigger time frame. Alright, and the bigger time frame is also a bullish push up. So with all these factors lining up in place, we can then play this Euro USD intraday long position. Alright, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's analysis of Euro USD. I hope it's been a good one for you guys, and I wish you guys all the best and have a great weekend ahead. Take care.